Jennifer. Thanks for your email. I've got your question here on the screen, and you have found your derivative correctly. So what we want to do here is solve for your critical points by setting your first derivative equal to 0. So I'll write that down here. I'll switch sides. So we have this minus this. And so I think the tough part here is just a little bit of formula manipulation so that you have something that you can work with to solve. So the first thing I'm going to do is multiply everything by 3, and that's going to clear your fractions. Because on the other side, 0 times 3 is just still 0. And then I'm going to use a little trick just to get rid of these exponents because they're kind of problematic, I think. So let's just, for a minute, let's just write the 5x to the minus 2/3 over on the other side. And if I put both sides of this equation to the exponent minus 3, I'm allowed to do that because I'm doing the same thing to both sides. But what that's going to do is it's going to give me 2 to the minus 3, which is 1/8. And then x to the minus 1/3, you're going to multiply the exponents using exponent laws there, is going to give you x to the 1. That's much nicer to work with. And then on the other side, 5 to the minus 3, that's 1 over 125. And now I'm going to have x to the 2 because negative 2/3 times negative 3 is just 2. So if I'm going to bring that up here just to give us some more room to work. Okay. If I now put everything together on the same side and I factor to solve for x, I have a common factor of x. So x times 125x minus 1/8 equals 0. The first root is easy. X equals 0 for that first factor here. This guy. The second root, you're going to have to solve the equation 1 over 125x equals 1 over 8. So x is going to be 125 over 8, and you can put that in decimal form if you want to. What would it be? 1.5 something? 1.5 something? Or sorry, 15 point something. And those will be your two values, your two critical values, before you put them back into the first derivative to test to see if they're max mins or POIs. So if you need help with the testing, email me back. I think for this one probably it was just actually finding the roots that was problematic. So I hope that that's enough to get you started.